This graphic represents the actual sales. Let's simulate 10% increase in sales. Just go here and click 10% of the factor 1.1. Let's simulate a sales increasing 50%. Just put factor 1.5. Let's create this dynamic graphic in Tableau. First, you have to create the factor. Go to this down arrow, click, and create parameter. Then you can change the name, for example, type factor. Now click in range and let put in the minimum here 0.1 and maximum 2. And select step size 0.1 and OK. Now let's create the new sales. Click here, create calculate field. Let's call this sales capital sales. Let's type some sales times the factor and OK. Now let's drag the capital sales to columns and the subcategory to rows. Let's sort this. Now go to factor, click, right click and click in show parameter control. Now let's go to show label, show mark labels. Now let's put factor 20%. 20% increase in sales. This is the simulation.